Namaste everyone. Why should we cleanse and detox? Aren't our bodies supposed to adapt to everything? Of course they do. But then look at the world we're living in. There's a lot of toxins which are ingesting from the air we breathe, from the water we drink, and the food we eat. Also all the household and cleaning products, all the skin and beauty products, industrial products, all this is much more than what our body skin takes. That's why we need to have a time to pause and cleanse in between. Now is Ramzan or Ramadan, the season where we meditate and pray and fast. Can you imagine that when the stomach is at rest is when the soul awakens? I know how hard Imran and Irfan and Nabil and the entire dream team is working at this time, even though they're not eating. They say the productivity is highest. So in all cultures, however ancient, during Easter, during Lent we fast, during Navratri we always have a time of fasting in every culture. So imagine everything gets scrubbed and squeaky clean, but how about our insides? So that is why I'm inviting you to really detox and clean your organs at this time. Imagine how happy your liver will work after it gets some rest. How happy your kidney is going to be, your stomach, your colon, and your outsides. It is never using beauty products outside, but actually how it's when the light is lit inside that the external comes shining outside. In Ayurveda, anything in the skin is the toxins which are coming out through the skin. So we don't treat just the external, but we start from the deepest cleaning of toxins inside, what we call ama, or the toxins prevents your ojas or the life-giving fluid. So the more we clean the toxins, the shinier and healthier. It's like each cell is working at its best. Imagine the trillions of cells inside each of us and the toxins. If we could remove it, of course there's no more disease. The word dis-ease itself means something is not at ease in your body. So just clearing this is most important. And of course every day I'm going to give you little advice how to detox and clean. But also today we are going to come to detoxing and cleaning the house. We have Palo Santo, which is what the Native Americans or the native people of with ancient Aztec and really sacred culture, they light this Palo Santo and then completely cleanse the body as well as the homes with this. So if you have Palo Santo wherever in the world you are, it's really amazing to cleanse your house. As well as salt, common ocean or any rock salt is really great. You can put it in water and keep it. That is also very cleansing. Use it when you're cleansing your house as well as for the body. And super important on new moon, full moon days to cleanse. And the other thing which can help is to light a 24-hour lamp or a candle, because that really absorbs energetically anything which can be there. So these are ways of cleansing our home. And then we also use the agarbattis, or we have this from welfare from animals in Goa. This is a home purifier. So this completely cleans the energies, keeps the mosquitoes out, and you really feel the positive energy which comes in once you have used things like this. So staying in a clean world, in a clean home, in a clean body, with a clean mind is really important. So what is the one emotion you're going to clean your mind of? Shall we say it's anger? So instead of saying, I won't get angry, you're going to put a positive message. I'm completely peaceful in all circumstances. And you will say that with your feet crossed, you're holding your ears, tongue connected to your palate, eyes closed for 5 minutes. And then with gratitude for 10 seconds with your eyes open and 10 seconds with your eyes closed. And the other thing is, you can say, I have a clean and pure mind. And same thing, 5 minutes, 10 seconds eyes open, 10 seconds eyes closed. And you just watch not just your home, but everything around you transform and cleanse. Thank you so much.